Windows features. Here you go, a full list of all the features that you can install. Some of them are already installed, some are more important than others, and as a regular user you probably don't need any of these, but some users might find the .NET 3.5 and the Internet Information Services useful. So let's talk about how to install these features. Click the Start, go into the settings, go into Apps, and then click Programs and Features. And from here you can choose to turn Windows features on or off. So once you click this, you can see the entire list over here. Once you chose the features you would like to turn on, just click the OK button, and Windows will perform the installation. This might take a few moments, and these features will be added to your Windows functionality. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.